Spin in large particles and stars. Friends, as you already know my cosmic model, you will see that it is totally classical, and therefore denies the validity of most of quantum mechanics and relativity. In this case, the fundamentals of the spin of particles and stars are reviewed in a classical and very simplified way. We see that this spin is another of the common elements between the atomic world, microcosm, and the stellar world or macrocosm, and that these levels, atomic and stellar, work with the same elements, physical laws and structure. But let's see what this spin consists of. Every important material nucleus creates gravitational fields and magnetic fields around it, which, being partially antagonistic, need to make the nucleus rotate to get rid of the pressure of gravity a little, and also so that the magnetic fields begin to build magnetic orbits around said nucleus. Magnetic orbits, which when they have important nuclei will each develop a positive charge. Well, the spin to which the nucleus is subjected is what we call spin, and it develops a north-south magnetic direction, which will later serve to approach and join other similar particles, union of molecules in atoms, multiple stars, etc. North-south polarity. The NS polarity, which in physics seems somewhat mysterious, is simply a mechanical phenomenon, and it occurs because the gravitational and magnetic fields of the large nuclei are dragged by the spin of the central nucleus, which are also forced to spin, although a lot more slowly and with delay and deformation. Well, under this circumstance of rotation of the fields around the nuclei, we find that if we try to bring two of these nuclei closer together in rotation, we will only be able to do so if we bring them closer in the same direction and sense an NS, otherwise the fields they will collide and repel each other. That is, if we approach them in the opposite direction of spin, these fields collide and reject each other. And if we bring them closer in the same direction of spin, these fields will join together and add their spin potentials. Therefore, spin is a rotation phenomenon produced in large nuclei of matter by gravitational and magnetic fields for a better balance of forces and pressures of the nuclei. Asterisk as can be deduced, the nuclear spin or rotation potential depends on the dimensions of the nuclei, with the simple electron or planet having a lower spin potential, and the atomic nuclei and stars developing a powerful spin. Thanks for your interest and kindness.